So this is the Boyalink from Boya. It's another wireless microphone system for you to consider on the market. Reasonably priced for the total kit. It comes in different iterations. It's priced at about £99 in here in the UK. So for what you get, I can tell you straight away, this is a great deal. We're going to test out the audio quality. We're going to switch over to the microphone itself in just a second. But before we do that, I just wanted to show you one of its special features, because if you buy the full kit, which is £99, you get 3 adapters, one for 3.5mm jack, one for lightning and one for USB-C. And it's got this really ingenious design where you can hot swap those out so you can use it with different devices, which is really handy if you're a content creator like myself. So in the box, as you can see, it comes with the 2 adapters which are nicely magnetised on there. Magnets make everything better, and these little adapters come in there and magnetised in the box so you don't lose them. On the actual receiver itself, you've got this handy little switch button where you can just press across like that and you slide it out. So it's come with the 3.5mm adapter in it. If you want to use it with your iPhone 16 Pro, for instance, you can put the USB-C one in there and just sort of slide it in, and then you've got the option to plug it into your phone. So it's a really ingenious and clever way. It's very similar to DJI's solution, but the fact that it's got this lock-in mechanism on there just helps with the security of it and the connection, and just makes it a little bit more seamless in and out of switching them around. So yeah, I do like that. It's very good, and it comes with these 3 adapters in the full kit, which is very handy. So let's switch over to the microphone and you can listen to the actual audio coming out of the device. So this is the audio you're listening to now, right from the Boyalink, which is on me here. I've got the transmitter on me on my shirt, and then I've got the receiver plugged into the Sony ZVE1 on the side there, which is picking up the audio. So how does it sound? This is the audio you're listening to from the Boyalink in a just normal controlled studio environment. We'll get out in just a second and test it with the phone out and about to see what it sounds like connected to another device as well. Recording with the Insta360 Flow, and I've got the transmitter plugged into USB-C, which is connected to the iPhone 16 Pro, and this is the audio you're listening to from the microphone, the Boyalink. I've got the adapter which I swapped over because I was using it with the camera just in the studio. I've put it onto the receiver, and then it's connected obviously via there. I've got the wind muff on there because it's not windy today, but every time I'm out and about, I always put the wind muff on there. It's easy to put on, nicely fits on there securely. It's not coming off. You can shake it and it's not coming off, and it will prevent some of that wind noise when you're walking around, especially in sort of outdoor environments. It's freezing here in the UK at the moment. The pond here is frozen, but I am braving the elements just for you to test out microphones. So this is a microphone. Test 1, 2, 3. Let me sort of have a wander off around there to see what the range is like and to see if it breaks up if I turn my back and stuff. So let me walk around the pond. It's supposed to have up to 300 meters range. I'm going to face away from it because generally with wireless microphone systems, that's when it breaks up, is when you're out of line of sight of the transmitter, and it breaks up like so. So I'm probably 30, 40 meters away now already. And yeah, can you see me? Oh, you actually can't see me because I'm behind a tree. So yeah, about 40 meters away, probably. Let me just walk over to this bench. It is frozen everywhere. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Drop my selfie stick into the pond. And I'm over here now. Can you see me? Is it still picking me up? I mean, realistically, when are you going to be using this kind of distance with a microphone? It's not very often, so having that range is very handy, but you don't generally use it that often. So specs wise, we've got 48 kilohertz, 24-bit audio, which is very important because that's sort of the minimum standard you'd sort of expect from a more professional device. The audio quality you get out of this microphone should be extremely good. We've got 6 levels of gain control, so we can control it right from the microphone up to a 300-meter range as well, which is very, very good, up there with the big boys and the more expensive microphones on the market. 2 levels of noise cancellation, so if you're in a busy environment, you can actually press the button just to have strong or normal noise cancelling, so it can hopefully get rid of that background noise. We'll test that out as well, and it's got a 30-hour battery life, which is respectable. Okay, let's do a little noise cancelling test. In the background there we've got a busy New York street, would you believe it? What I'm going to do now is switch from normal mode, which this is, to noise cancellation mode, and see what the difference is. So you can probably hear in the background New York. I've been there, amazing place. So let's turn on the noise cancelling right now. All you have to do is press the plus and minus button together and you get the change of colour on the top of the microphone there. So this is with noise cancelling on. Handy horn for us there that honked. Can you hear a difference with the noise cancelling? Okay, let's turn it back off. So this is with noise cancelling off. And again with noise cancelling on. Noise cancelling on, does it make a difference? Let me know in the comments down below. Be interested to know. There is a button on the transmitter where you can select either stereo or mono recording. Comes in very handy if there's two of you recording, especially with two transmitters. And you can actually charge your device whilst you're using the microphone, because on the receiver over there you've got a USB-C port as well. So you can charge your device on the go. Like other manufacturers, they offer this in different versions. There is a total white version of this as well, which is very handy. You've got this full kit, which includes everything you need to get started. There's other kits that don't include the charging case. It just come with the one receiver, and then you get all the other bits and bobs in like a satchel bag. And there are other versions as well, which are a little bit cheaper. So I think it starts at around £51, £50 here in the UK for the basic version with one transmitter. But for £99 for everything you need to get started in this kit and the charging case with up to 30 hours of battery life and some really exceptional audio, yeah, that's pretty impressive. So what does it sound like? Let me know. You've heard it now connected to a camera and to the phone. It's a good kit, I've got to admit. I fully recommend this. I do like the fact it comes everything in the box. It charges in the box. It's got a good range, good audio quality. It comes with the accessories like the wind muff, which is really essential for me here in the UK. Yeah, for £99, this is an exceptional quality kit. And if you're after a decent wireless microphone system, I fully recommend this. If you do want to grab one, there will be a link in the description down below. That is an affiliate link, but this is not a sponsored video. So total honest and independent review. I appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. We've got lots of stuff coming up in January and February. There's so much going on. I didn't expect it to be this busy for new releases this year for tech, but it's going to be, trust me, it's going to be a big year in 2025, I've got a feeling. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I'll see you in the next one then. Cheers guys, bye.